Open the box and take out the accessories. Tear off the protective film and protective strip. Before use, make sure to open the instruction manual and read the precautions. Connect the power cord of the machine to the adapter and plug it into the power source. Open the filling opening on the top of the WINBOT. Take out the EcoVax WINBOT cleaning solution. Please pay attention to the amount poured so as not to overflow the filling opening. Before starting the cleaning, it is recommended to manually moisten the wiping pad and wring it dry. Attach the wiping pad to the Velcro at the bottom of WINBOT, then press it firmly to ensure it sticks securely. This chapter ends here. Thank you for watching. You can also click on the Help section in the app settings to watch more instructional videos.